This game's about feel. I remember at my best, there'll be nights when the whole world would slow down and get very quiet. I could hear the ball bounce, and nothing existed outside of this game. What these young bloods have to understand, that this game has always been and will always be about buckets.
That's what I've been trying to tell him, B.
Drew, you're a real baller. Gotta get out there and put your team back together again. Go find them.
These young bloods ain't got no idea what's coming. Wes? Drew? Is that you? It's been a long time.
You know, it's really great to see you, Wes.
I couldn't believe it when I saw you. I hardly recognized you.
You see, I kept old Rosie. Added some leather seats in here.
Slow down, girl.
Remember back when we were playing against the Rats from Philadelphia and you threw up that sky hook? Now that is basketball.
But it's not like that anymore. All they want to do is the fadeaway, crossover, jibby-jabber jump shots. I just don't know if I got it anymore, Drew.
Trust me, I got you. Age is just a state of mind, Wes.
I'm gonna need a few minutes to warm up now.
Don't worry.
Who's got next?
We got next.
Wes, how you doing? I don't know about this.
It's cool. We got it. Come on.
I got old man. Come on.
Just like old time.
I'll give him that.
Knock it down, Wes. Oh, get back. It's cool. Ain't warmed up yet.
I got him.
Knock down. Backboard next time.
Told you I couldn't do this.
All right, come on. Yeah, I'm here. Let me work. Watch yourself.
Show him that move. Show him that move you used to show.
Oh. I got you, Wes. Just like old time.
What else?
That's one. You don't see it. You don't see it because it's step back. Oh, yeah. Starting to feel a groove. Hey, 1-2. 1-2. Skip to my loop. Oh, get over. That's a pocket pass. Where'd that come from?
It's like old times, you and me. Here we go.
Screen.
Whoa!
Don't Tom.
I got your help. Get out of here. Not my house.
Don't jump, young blood. We home, baby. We home.
Baby.
Drew, this is just the beginning.
Back in my day, we wore shorts.
Who knows where Uncle Drew will show up next? Maybe you're caught.